Electric vehicle sales in the U.S. have slowed down. In August, J.D. Power said EVs would account for 9% of U.S. automotive sales this year, a fairly major adjustment to its previous forecast of 12%. It's a market reality that's forcing large automakers like Ford and Toyota to adjust their plans. It's also forcing smaller EV makers like Lordstown and Fisker to throw in the towel altogether. And in Fisker's case, it looks like it got out as fast as it could. In June, Fisker filed for bankruptcy protection and shortly after filed a legal motion to get out of the lease at its former headquarters in California. That potential arrangement could be in jeopardy now based on a new filing spotted by TechCrunch, in which Fisker's landlord, Shamrock, describes the state of the company's abandoned headquarters as, quote, complete disarray. Shamrock arranged to retake possession of the premises due to past acts of vandalism, theft, and damage related to the homeless breaking in and attempting to set up residence. When Shamrock representative Tony Lenzini went to inspect the property, he found a scene that led him to believe the building had been, quote, ransacked. Personal property and office supplies were scattered throughout the property. Large amounts of potentially hazardous chemicals had been left behind. Approximately 20 automotive-sized batteries were still on site, and even the full-scale clay models used to prototype new vehicle models were still there. Pictures taken by Shamrock show a chaotic scene, littered with office equipment, furniture, appliances, papers, boxes, pictures, cabinets, compressed gas bottles, pallets, car parts, cabling, and a, quote, large metal frame of some sort. If you look close, you'll see a ping pong table in there too. After the initial assessment, Lenzini estimated Shamrock is facing tens of thousands of dollars in cleanup costs, damage repairs, and possibly hazardous waste removal. To complicate matters, he said he's been receiving calls from people he doesn't know requesting access to the building so they can recover personal property. For Fisker, a trashed HQ may not be the worst of its worries. The company is under federal investigation as it navigates bankruptcy proceedings. But for an automaker that was once valued at $2.9 billion, it's an alarming end. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.